Hi everyone, welcome back to Feel Better at Home with me, Cindy Jacobs. Today's Tuesday topic, back to baseline. In these photos, I'll be demonstrating before and after shots of the process of taking the surroundings of this home and its gardens and bringing them back to baseline. Medically and in sports, we hear the term back to baseline often. To me, an observation or value that represents the normal or the beginning of a measurable quality rings true here, and I use this term as a state from which we can begin again, a place where we need to be before we can further change or make improvements to the existing space. So in this case, I didn't want to add any plantings or change anything drastically until we got everything back to basics and we knew what we had and what we were working with. So as you can see, some of the things here were to be able to have this bulkhead be able to be accessed, to be able to get in and out of the entrances easily without having branches or trees cluttered, and to literally see what we had. And we were able to do all of those things and more. The goals here were to declutter and to clear out unwanted items and to be able to access things easily and see what the family had in the way of plantings before we added anything. We were able to do all of these things and more, as well as remove some damaged plants and have a clear picture of the existing landscape. So this phase 1 of Back to Baselines is complete. I hope you enjoyed and you got some ideas so that you too are able to get your property back to baseline. Thanks and have a great day.